Y'all, let's get hype. Let's get hype. Let's get hype. Y'all know what's going on? Y'all know what's going on? It's your boy SyVon, man, and I'm back with another prank. Get y'all evil laugh, man. Get y'all popcorn, man. Get y'all popcorn, man. Y'all see the title, man. We finna do a little water prank on my baby. She in the bed sleeping. We finna go crazy. You know what I'm saying? It's not gonna be a long video, man. Just a little water prank. You know what I'm saying? But I hope you guys still like it. What we got right here? Y'all know what's going on. Y'all know what's going on. Sorry, baby girl, but getting this full jug of water, I'm gonna fill this whole thing up. It's gonna be crazy. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know what's going on. You know what I'm saying? When I'm by myself, man, nobody's safe around me. She's upstairs sleeping right now. Well, she was up. I don't know if she's still sleeping, but oh, she's still sleeping. You know what I'm saying? So I'm recording on my phone right now because I don't want to wake up and then see the camera is gone. So that's what I'm gonna do is fill these up, put the camera up, go in there, just you know what I'm saying? Without further ado, let's get into this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's gonna be crazy. Yeah. Let's go, baby.
Stop, I'm not cleaning them. You get my phone wet, stupid. Stop. Damn. Stop, you gonna get my phone wet. Stop, you gonna get my phone wet. You doing the video for this? Damn! You need your computer? Stop!
Got it.
Move up!
We got it, guys. We got it, guys.
Oh, come here with you, stupid.
I'm praying, baby. It was
Move.
How you feel?
I'm not playing. Move.
Yeah, she's mad. Yo, she threw my laptop. This is crazy. Chill, I got a camera. Chill.
I don't care. I don't care. My phone stuff is over there. You wouldn't care. Move. Let it go.
Yo, she's mad. She's mad.
Let it go. Move.
Yo, this girl is crazy, yo. Man, she took my... Let's take it out. Man, it's a prank.
Move. Let me go.
You're not going for it.
Let me go. I'm not worrying about you.
Where are you going? Yo, she's leaving. Where you going?
Move. Let me know.
Where you going?
Stop.
Where you going? Where you going?
I'm going home.
Why?
Because I got stuff to do. Move.
Yo, she's
Move.
mad. I got her good.
Move. You better move or I'll punch you in your face.
Yo. Where you going?
I'm going home. Anyway.
Yo, she's mad. She's going crazy. Yo, look what she did to the wall, yo. Oh my god. Yeah. Yo, she threw my laptop, yo. She's going crazy. Whew. Victory is ours. Whew. Babe, where's he going? He's a prank. Babe, it's a prank. Come on.
Cut me. That ain't no prank.
That's a prank.
No, it's not. You cut my finger.
Man, it's a prank, babe. Come on. Chill. Alright, guys. I think I got that good, man. I think I got that good. Hey, chill. But look how you playing. Look how she wanna play. Look how she wanna play, yo. Man, you went into the whole room. Yo, this girl here crazy, man. Shit. Look at her, man. Look at her. Look at her. Chill, you get the camera on. Yo, she heated.
Warranty on it, don't it?
She heated. This girl here tripping. Alright, I think I got her good, man. I think I got her good. Make sure you guys go like, comment, and subscribe, man. Bitch. Oh my god, chill. Yo, I can't breathe. Like, comment, and subscribe. I think this prank is a banger, man. Oh shit. Yo, I'm sweating.
You don't my stuff.
Babe, how you feel?
Like I'm gonna knock you out if you try that again.
Yo, I told you it was gonna be a banger.
Look at my finger. You cut me.
Yo, I didn't know. I didn't meant to cut you. You keep running away from the frame. Was the good Frank or what?
No.
Say Team Javon.
No, because I already knew he was doing this prank, y'all.
No, he didn't. No, he didn't.
Look at my hair. Oh my
Say Team
gosh.
Javon. Team Javon. Come on, team it up. Team it up. Team it up.
You're annoying.
Come on, Team Javon. Come on. Y'all fun on games. She thought she was gonna leave. Chill out. She thought she was gonna leave me.
Stupid.
Alright guys, see you next video.